Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Product Review Top 5. A soldering station is an essential tool for anyone who works with electronics, whether it's for personal projects or professional work. It is a device that provides the necessary heat to melt solder and join two pieces of metal, typically copper wires, circuit boards or other components. A good soldering station should provide a consistent temperature and be easy to use, with features like adjustable temperature control, a stable base, and interchangeable tips for different tasks. In this answer, we will explore the top 5 best soldering stations on the market, based on customer reviews, features, and price. Number 5. YIHUA 995D Plus Soldering Station. The YIHUA 995D Plus Soldering Station is a high-quality tool that is perfect for anyone who needs a reliable and efficient soldering iron. This soldering station offers a range of features and benefits that make it stand out from other models on the market. One of the most notable features of the YIHUA 995D Plus Soldering Station is its digital display, which makes it easy to set the temperature and monitor it while you work. The temperature range is adjustable between 212 degrees Fahrenheit and 896 degrees Fahrenheit, 100 degrees centigrade to 480 degrees centigrade, which means that you can use it for a wide range of soldering projects. Another great feature of this soldering station is its fast heat up time. It only takes a few seconds for the soldering iron to reach the desired temperature, which means that you can get to work quickly and efficiently. The YIHUA 995D Plus soldering station also comes with a range of accessories, including a soldering iron stand, a sponge, and a cleaning wire. These accessories make it easy to keep the soldering iron clean and well maintained, which can help to extend its lifespan. Number 4. YIHUA 882D Soldering Station. The YIHUA 882D Soldering Station is a versatile tool that serves a wide range of purposes. With its various functions, this soldering station is a great choice for anyone looking for a reliable and efficient tool. One of the standout features of this soldering station is its dual functionality, which includes a soldering iron and a heat gun hot air gun. This makes it an excellent choice for a variety of projects, including electronics, jewelry making, and plumbing repairs. Additionally, the electric soldering iron and desoldering equipment provide even more versatility and make it a valuable tool to have in any workshop or garage. The YIHUA 882D soldering station comes with a range of accessories, including a soldering iron tip and tin wire, making it an all-in-one package. The soldering station is also designed with safety in mind, with features such as an auto shut-off function and a temperature control system that ensures the tool doesn't overheat or cause any accidents. Number 3. YIHUA 8786DI Soldering Station. The YIHUA 8786DI Soldering Station is an excellent tool for anyone who is looking for a high-quality soldering and hot air gun station. This product comes with a variety of features that make it ideal for both professional and amateur use. One of the standout features of the YIHUA 8786DI is its versatility. It can be used for BGA welding, as a workshop tool, and as a soldering machine. Additionally, it comes with both a hot air gun and a soldering iron, so you can use the tool for a variety of different projects. The YIHUA 8786DI is also incredibly powerful, with a maximum power output of 740 watts. This means that it can handle even the most demanding soldering jobs with ease. The soldering iron can reach temperatures between 200 and 480 Celsius, while the hot air gun can reach temperatures between 100 and 480 Celsius. One thing that I particularly appreciate about the YIHUA 8786DI is the variety of plug types available. It comes with EU, US, UK, and AU plugs, so you can use it in virtually any location around the world. Number 2. lefavor 858D Soldering Station. The lefavor 858D Soldering Station is an exceptional product that has exceeded my expectations. With a rated output power of 700 W, it heats up quickly and efficiently, making my soldering tasks faster and more precise. The air volume of 120 L is more than enough to tackle any job I've encountered so far. One of the standout features of this soldering station is its compact size and lightweight design, weighing only 1.5 pounds. It's easy to transport and store, which is perfect for those who need to move their tools around frequently. Additionally, the adjustable temperature control makes it easy to set the perfect temperature for each project, and the digital display shows the temperature in real time, providing excellent precision and accuracy. The build quality of the lefavor 858D is exceptional, with high-quality materials used throughout, giving me confidence that this tool will last for years to come. I also appreciate the ergonomic design of the handle, which provides a comfortable grip even during long soldering sessions. Number 1. JCD 8898 Soldering Station. The JCD 8898 Soldering Station is a reliable and powerful tool for SMD soldering. With its dual function of 110V 220V, it can be used in various countries, making it a versatile choice for professionals or hobbyists. One of the standout features of this soldering station is its hot air gun with a power of 750 watts. It heats up quickly and can reach temperatures between 100 to 480, making it suitable for a wide range of projects. Additionally, the soldering iron has a power of 80 W and can heat up to 180 to 480. Providing precise control over the soldering process. The JCD 8898 soldering station is also designed with convenience in mind. The temperature control is easy to adjust and is displayed on a clear LCD screen. The station also comes with a variety of tips and nozzles for the hot air gun and soldering iron, allowing for customization based on the project at hand. Thank you for watching this video.